Hello students, today our topic is atomic structure lesson. So let us see what are the topics we are going to discuss in this is first of all subatomic particles, and second one atomic models, in the Rutherford model, Rutherford's nuclear model of atom, and next one is development of the Bohr's model of atom, Bohr's model of atom, next one towards quantum mechanical model of the atom, towards quantum mechanical model of atom, and the next topic is here quantum mechanical. In quantum mechanical model of the atom there will be important features. In quantum mechanical model of an atom, in this the subtopic is important features of mechanical model. And in this we will be having orbitals and quantum numbers, shapes of atomic orbitals, orbitals and quantum numbers, shapes of atomic orbitals, and there will be filling of orbitals in atoms, Bohr principle, Pauli's exclusion, Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule, electronic configuration of the configuration of atoms. So these are the subtopics we are going to discuss in this lesson. First one is subatomic particles, and second one is atomic models in the Rutherford nuclear model of the atom, and development to the Bohr's model of the atom, and next one towards quantum mechanical model of atom. In this again we are having important features, orbitals, quantum numbers, shapes of atomic orbitals, energies of orbitals, filling of orbitals in atoms, Bohr principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule, electronic configuration of atom, means stability of half filled and completely filled orbitals. So now let us see introduction just. Atomic structure I have told you. So what is an atom? Who discovered an atom? So means here the term atom was discovered by, means the atom was discovered by who? John Dalton. Okay, so this atom was discovered by John Dalton. So according to Dalton atomic theory, so what is atom? We can say according to Dalton atomic theory, all types of matter, means which is made of very small particles, we call according to Dalton's atomic theory, we can say all types of matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. According to this Dalton's law, what we can say, very small particles called atoms. But Dalton's assume that atoms are indivisible. Indivisible means what? Which we cannot divide the atoms. But according to new experiments, some of the new experiments said that atoms can be divided into subatomic particles. So according to Dalton's, what he had told, it is atom is a indivisible. But according to but new experiments said that what? Atoms are divided into subatomic particles. So what is subatomic particles or fundamental particles? So generally matter is made up of molecules and molecules are made up of atoms. Combination of atoms only we call it as molecules. If you combine two atoms, two molecules will be getting. If you are combining three atoms, three molecules you are getting. So like that, matter is made up of what? Molecules. But Dalton's, what he has proposed, atoms are indivisible. But modern discoveries, what they have showed, atom is not indivisible. Means it is divided into subatomic particles, and which has a, atom has a what here? Complex structure. Modern experiments, what they have told, atoms are divisible, so and also has a complex structure. So here, what are the subatomic particles of the atom? So the subatomic particles of the atom is nothing but electron, proton and neutrons. So these are the subatomic particles of the atoms. Okay. So here electrons means what? Negatively charged particle. Protons means what? Positively charged particle. Neutrons means what here? Neutral particles. So these are the fundamental particles. The three are the subatomic particles we can say, or we can say fundamental particles. Now let us see what is the charge and also mass. If you are taking electron, which is denoted by small e. Okay. So here it is having charge minus 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. And coming to mass, 9.1095 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. In coulombs means this is the charge. Okay. If you are calculating in some weights, so you are going to get here 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU, electrosonic unit. Okay. So coming to proton, how we are going to calculate? Proton is denoted by P. It is having charge plus 1.6022 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And coming to here 4.802 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. What is the mass here? Mass is nothing but here we are calculating in kgs. Yes or no? So it is also having one more mass, AMU, atomic mass per unit, that is 0.000548 AMU. So coming to here, this is having mass as 1.67252 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, or we can say 1.00727 AMU. So this is about proton. And coming to neutron, it is denoted by N. So it is having 0 charge and it is having mass as 1.67495 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, or we can write 1.008627 AMU. So this is about fundamental particles of the charge, mass of electron, proton and neutron. So these are the units. So coming to here, as everyone knows, everyone will be going to explain you about atom. This is an atom. So in this we are having nucleons, and it is having electrons, which is a negatively charged particle. This nucleons again consists of what here? Protons and neutrons. So this is of the atom, which is the smallest particle. So this is all about the introduction. In the next class we can see about the remaining topics. Thank you.